The 1988 TVR White Elephant is one of the most unusual prototypes in British sports car history. Built as a one-off for Peter Wheeler, it represented an attempt to create a high-end flagship for TVR at a pivotal moment in the company's evolution. Wheeler purchased TVR in 1981 and shifted the brand's direction toward powerful V8-powered sports cars. By 1988, TVR was transitioning away from the sharp-edged wedge styling of the late 1970s and early 1980s. The White Elephant was conceived as a bridge between eras, still wedge-shaped, but incorporating smoother, more modern surfacing. The body was designed by John Ravenscroft. It featured widened wheel arches, fixed headlights mounted behind Perspex covers, and a distinctive camback rear. The design aimed to move TVR closer to the territory occupied by Jaguar and Aston Martin. The car was built on the chassis of a Tuscan Challenge race car, giving it significant structural rigidity and competition-derived handling. Suspension consisted of double wishbones at the front and a Jaguar XJ-S-sourced rear wishbone and trailing arm arrangement. During testing, the rear anti-roll bar was disconnected after it negatively affected limit handling. The most significant technical feature was its engine. Instead of the Rover V8 commonly used by TVR, Wheeler sourced a pre-production 5.0-liter V8 developed for the Holden VL-SS Group ASV program. The engine was supplied through Tom Walkinshaw of Holden Special Vehicles. Producing approximately 440 brake horsepower at 5,750 revolutions per minute and 390 pound-feet of torque at 3,600 revolutions per minute, it was paired with a Borg-Warner T5 5-speed manual gearbox. In a car weighing around 1,300 kilograms, 870 pounds, performance was exceptional. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.0 seconds and a top speed near 170 miles per hour. The interior was trimmed extensively in green leather with tan piping and walnut veneer. The seat, pedals, and steering wheel were fixed to suit Wheeler's 6'6" frame. A custom rear compartment included a cutout space for his hunting dog, Ned, and a gun rack beneath the rear platform. Wheeler drove the car for approximately 2 years, accumulating around 15,000 miles. Cooling issues, partly related to a horizontally mounted radiator, affected reliability and public appearances. After 1990, the car was stored outdoors behind the Blackpool factory and deteriorated significantly. In 2004, shortly before Wheeler sold TVR, the car was acquired by enthusiast Howard Bryan. A 9-year restoration returned it to operational condition, including improvements to the cooling system. The White Elephant re-emerged publicly around 2013 and later changed hands again, entering the collector market. The White Elephant never reached production. TVR instead launched models such as the Griffith and Chimera in the 1990s. Today, the 1988 TVR White Elephant stands as a transitional prototype that combined racing hardware, experimental engineering, and personal vision into a singular expression of TVR's golden era.